welcome back. So I told you guys we would be having multiple videos. I hope again you are having an amazing Thursday. So as you can see from the title down below, today this is the 2019 or September 2019 The Box by Fashionsta. So if you are unfamiliar, Fashionsta, the box is only $19.99, and you guys, this is like super awesome. Now they do have a wait list. You can sign up to be put on their wait list, and they usually open their wait list once a month, so you can go ahead at that point and get off the wait list so you can get the box. It has been amazing. I've only gotten it one time prior. It is still fairly new, but it is seriously amazing. Like, knock it out of the park, amazing. So I'm gonna obviously open this one up and we're gonna see what we got for September. Like I said, last month was absolutely amazing. This literally is, for what you're paying, just such an amazing subscription. Like I said, it's only $19.99 with free shipping, so that is fantastic. And before we actually get into this, I do want to remind you guys, we have quite a few giveaways. We have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, and we have the Thrifted Bag giveaway where I am giving away the brand new Betsy Johnson backpack. Those both end on the 22nd, so you have a few more days. And then we do also have the makeup and skincare where there will be 2 winners. That giveaway ends the first week of October. And the final giveaway we have going on right now is the Boxy Luxe. I'm giving away a couple of the products from my Boxy Luxe, so check that video out and see how to enter that giveaway. That ends on October 13th. So you got 4 different giveaways. 2 of them do end pretty soon, so definitely check it out if you haven't already. If you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us. But let's get into the box for September 2019. All right. All right, so this is what I see when I open it. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. So, it always comes with a card here that will tell you about each product, and it does include pricing, which I really appreciate. And I'm guessing that there may be variations on the box because this says V2. And it says the total retail value is $149. So I think you get most of all the same products, but like a shade may be off or something like that. Box with a purpose. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. It's a nonprofit organization based in Los Angeles with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. We're happy to announce this partnership and support a cause you love, as well as offering amazing products you love to use. That is fantastic. I love it anytime a subscription box gives back, but that is just absolutely fantastic. So $19.99, you're getting $150 worth of products and giving back. What's there to think about? So then we have here just our sticker, the box. And then we have some black squigglies. I'm going to move out of the way. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out, and I am so excited to try this. I have heard great things, and I have wanted to try this. I am normally a sheet mask girl. However, this is something that I've just seen going around on Instagram and different things, and I just think I've wanted to try. And that is the green tea detox mask from Teami. This is a $30 value, so this is already worth more than the box. This mineral-rich green tea detox mask is a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this mask is formulated to rid pores of impurity while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. It's perfect for all skin types. So, mask. Even this cardboard packaging feels nice. So here it is outside the box. It smells herbally and earthy. Yum. So there it is. So I'm excited to give that a try. Like I said, I am normally a sheet mask girl just because they're a little bit more convenient, but I've heard such great things. I am so excited to try that. And then we got from Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance. It says Disco Gold right here. And Gleam Face and Body Radiance is a revolutionary all-in-one makeup, moisturizer, and glow you can use for the face and body. This long-lasting formula is perfect as a body glow, body shimmer, body bronzer, and body highlighter all in one. And this is valued at $18. Disco Gold. It is cruelty-free. For maximum transfer resistance, use on clean, dry skin in place of other moisturizers. If applying to the face, use with or under foundation. This is to avoid contact with eyes. So let's see. I don't really gleam my body. But let's just take a look. All right, so it had a safety seal, so we'll take that off, and then we'll just put a little on. A little dab will do ya. So there is that. So let's see. Oh well, hold on a minute now. I don't know now. This is can you see that? Like, that actually is really pretty. I don't know that it gave much of a bronze, but it definitely gave like an illuminating shimmer effect. And I like it, and it doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel it doesn't feel any different. Like, I wouldn't even know it's there. But like, this would be really nice to have and put on, like, at, for a holiday party, like across your collarbone or something, just for that extra, I don't know. I think I actually may like that. So then we have, from Caitlyn, this is a eye jumbo liquid eyeliner. It's valued at $18. Achieve effortless control and dramatic definition with this ultra-rich jumbo felt tip liquid eyeliner. The large tapered tip of the Caitlyn Eye Jumbo Liquid Liner ensures bold, dramatic detailing. The Easy Glide smudge-free liquid eyeliner adheres to the skin for waterproof wear. And if I did say, this is valued at $18 as well. I'm not going to open this because I actually just opened a liquid liner too, actually. And I'm not a liquid liner girl, but I did open, very similar to this, like a big fat Ico London liner. And then the Hank and Henry Blickety Black from Boxy Luxe. So I'm not going to open this right now. I may or may not end up putting this to the side for a giveaway. I don't know. I am kind of really liking, actually, the the big fat Ico London liner like this, so I may hang on to this. I don't know. And then we have Pop and Glow Out of Sight Pop Art Eye Mask. It says with vitamin B, acai, and papaya extracts, vegan, out of sight, brightening in a flash. So this says Skin Form Beauty Mask, $4, based in New York and made in Korea. SF prides themselves in embodying the best in both innovation and trendiness. All of their products are created to be fun and super easy, completely clean, 100% cruelty-free and vegan. So I'm always down for some eye masks, and these literally look like they are going to be almost like crying or something. I don't know. If they are, when I go to use these, I will definitely put a picture on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I do put all my social media links down below, but it's at SouthernMom521. So definitely head over and follow me on Instagram if you are not already. I'm really kind of now excited to try these. I love under eye masks, period, but if they're gonna make me look like I'm crying or something, I don't know, it's just different. All right. Then we have speaking of different, this is the Perfect V VV serum. This is valued at $54. This 2018 Pure Beauty Awards bronze winner is a must-have for your daily beauty routine. You ready? Dedicated to the bikini area. This beauty serum rejuvenates, revitalizes, and firms the skin, leaving it soft to the touch. Elderflower extract, bilberry helps brighten the skin, while sea buckthorn soothes and vitamin E conditions. For best results, lightly dry the V, the bikini line, and visible skin of the triangle area, and apply a small drop of VV serum. So I'm just getting comfortable with the skincare routine for my face. And now they are sending beauty serum for the V, revitalize, rejuvenate, and firm. So yeah, let's see. What does it sound about? A new luxury skincare line to beautify the V. The V, question mark? That small triangle we wax, shave, laser, sugar, trim, dye, even, and then leave until the next time. Multitasking beauty creams, serums, mist, and sheets that pamper the delicate skin of your V. Manicure, pedicure, and now vanicure. The newest beauty regimen specifically for the V, because every part of your body should be beautiful. So if you want a vanicure, here you go. That is interesting. All right, so we have one more product in here. And this is from the Beauty Crop, the Dawn Gazing Palette. The packaging is stunning and just gorgeous. Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing Eyeshadow Palette. This is $25. Inspired by the kaleidoscope of pinks and magentas of the sky at dawn, the Dawn Gazing Eyeshadow Palette features 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic, and long-wearing glitter. So let's open it up and take a look. Those sound like shades I would like. It's inside bubble wrap. All right. It is cruelty-free, which is great. No parabens, talc-free, no minerals, no phthalates. It's vegan, and it's made with coconut and jojoba oil. So here's the actual palette. Also very, very pretty. All right, so no mirror, but that's fine. Let me take this off so you guys can see. This is gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. And like, these colors are like so pretty for fall looks, and I love the amount of shimmers I'm seeing. I mean, I do love my mattes, but I love me some shimmers. Now the glitter I probably won't use, just to be completely honest, but all of the other shades are stunning. I think they are absolutely beautiful. So I'm very happy with this. So we got this palette from the Beauty Crop. We got the eyeliner from Caitlyn. We got the Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance and Disco Gold, which at first I was like, I don't know, but it didn't change the color of my skin really. It just gave a gleam. So I do like that. We got the under eye mask, which, like I said, I think are going to be shaped kind of like tears. And I will definitely be posting a picture on Instagram with those. The Teamy Blends Detox Green Tea Blend Mask. So excited about that. And then we got the serum, so we can get a manicure. So that was everything we got in our box. Like I said, it comes to a total retail value of $149. So 6 products, $19.99, free shipping. So if you have not already, definitely head over. I will put a link down below. Head over, get on the waiting list for the box because it is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.